In product development, managing complex designs across teams can be challenging. You need the right data at the right time to make informed decisions. The 3D product architect role ensures your product structure is organized, accurate, and ready for collaboration, helping teams avoid errors and save time.
A 3D product architect defines the product structure, manages design data, and ensures consistency across all components. They create project specific product structures, manage configurations, and link engineering data to the product definition. With this role, engineers, designers, and stakeholders can work seamlessly on a single source of truth. Let's take a closer look at the 3D product architect tool in 3D Experience and see how easily we can make structural changes. We start by selecting the model, and once expanded, the full tree structure shows every sub-assembly part and component. The graphical window provides a real-time 3D preview, instantly highlighting whatever we select in the tree. To demonstrate a change, let's detach the ground part. With one click, it highlights in 3D, and removing it takes only a few steps, letting designers create mockups without CAD. Now let's add a new component, the stand part, into the assembly. So we can create a new part or add an existing one by typing its name into the search bar. Once it appears, so we simply drag and drop it into the workspace, and it instantly becomes a part of the mockup assembly. Positioning the part inside the assembly is even easier. The triad manipulator gives us full control to move, rotate, or align the part in 3D space with precision. We can attach the triad directly on any face, edge, or reference point of the component, allowing for accurate placement within the assembly. From the right corner of the triad, we can also switch between different hierarchy levels. So this lets us decide exactly which assembly level we want to work with, ensuring the new component is positioned and associated with the correct parent in the structure. This updated mockup assembly now serves as a reference model for designers. The parts list displays detailed properties such as name, number, maturity, and revision clearly and systematically. It enables effective communication of proposed changes, validates the assembly structure, and helps plan modifications before any CAD work actually begins. We can insert new parts, reuse existing ones, or even create new revisions based on the requirements. And all of this happens right inside the browser, no CAD software required. For the parts we add, we can immediately trigger engineering item numbers. This ensures every new component is added, created, linked, and positioned in the BOM structure, maintaining accuracy and traceability throughout the product lifecycle. We can also inspect any associated change actions, check investigation requests, and view captured updates connected to this assembly. This gives complete visibility into what has been changed, why it was changed, and who requested the change. Once all modifications are finalized, we can create a new revision for the assembly. A revision comment can be added to capture the intention or context behind the update, ensuring clear communication for downstream teams.
With 3D product architect in 3D Experience, teams can develop products accurately, manage complex assemblies, make precise modifications, and maintain full traceability all directly in the browser.
Organized product structures ensures assemblies are accurate, complete, and ready for collaboration, reducing errors and saving time. Single source of truth provides unified access to design data, revisions, and configurations for all stakeholders. Effortless modifications allows designers to add, remove, or update components and create mockups quickly without CAD dependency. Precise component placement. Tools like the triad manipulator enable accurate positioning, rotation, and alignment within any assembly hierarchy. Traceability, visibility, and EIN creation. Every part and change is linked to the BOM with engineering item numbers automatically created for new components. All updates, change actions, and requests can be tracked effortlessly. Streamlined communication, updated assemblies, parts, and revision comments provide clear context for downstream teams, enabling faster and better decision making.
And ultimately, it unites your data, your teams, and your decisions so you can deliver with confidence.